Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today we have a great gadget, that's a Qubo Handheld Gimbal. We are going to unbox it for you, and it's from the trust of Hero Group. So I'll just unbox it for you. So this is the gadget. I'm just going to pull it out. We have to. So what all do you get with this box? You get a card, you get a thank you message from Qubo Group, and this is the way you get a guide to install. Here inside, this is the zipper box in which all is kept. This is the tripod on which we can stand. There's the wire and cable. I'll keep all these things aside. This is the tripod to get with it. This is the cable, and this is for hand holding support. You get this QR code in order to install the app for this Qubo Gimbal. Wow. Wow. You have to on this. Now it starts working.